AE201. This kit is used to check the hardness of the water. The kit contains a test jar TH1S, TH2, TH3 and TH4. Take the test jar and fill the sample up to 25 ml mark. Add 1 spoonful of TH1S. Mix well to dissolve. Add 10 to 12 drops of TH2 reagent and mix well. If the sample is still blue in color, it indicates no hardness present. If pink or red color appears, it indicates hardness present. Now to estimate the value of hardness, we will add TH3 reagent dropwise. Count the number of drops while mixing until red or pink turns blue. Number of drops of TH3 reagent multiplied by 2 is the hardness of the sample. For example, 4 drops of TH3 reagent was added, that is 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8 ppm. If the sample is more than 20 ppm, repeat the same procedure, but instead of TH3 reagent, add TH4 reagent dropwise until the color changes to blue. For example, number of drops of TH4 reagent multiplied by 5 is the hardness of the sample. For example, 9 drops of TH4 reagent added, that is 9 multiplied by 5, which is 45 ppm is the hardness of the sample. We have similar tests for calcium, magnesium, alkalinity and chloride. For better understanding of this product, please refer to the impact leaflet provided.